Welcome to the reality. This is part 2. So, this is the true map of the Earth and the true shape of the Earth. The Earth is a baby and was formed in the womb of his mother, where we are now. Here is Australia, there is the placenta, and we are actually seeing only part of it. Part of the placenta is still under the water, that the oceans are the amniotic fluid. How we came here? Long ago, we came from the seeds of our father and the seeds of our mother. In this video is when the egg meets the sperm. So the egg is like a forest, huge city with a huge forests, and inside somewhere there is a house where there is a family that have only a daughter, if you want to be explained simply. Okay, now if this city does not meet the sperm, okay, will die. Okay, so the seed of the father came in big ships. The ships contain many utensils and drawings and instructions. They came many, not only one, and not everybody of them will go inside the forest. Only one of them will be in love, okay, with the beautiful girl. Okay, the others will build. I will make play, okay, put play and enlarge. The others will build a huge wall around this city. They have to build this wall very, very, very fast, so they will be many. Observe how these people build, knocking with hammers and needles, and they go all around, desperately, frenetic, building this wall. Why? Because this wall will be the protected wall that will be in the end the amniotic sac. This wall contains chambers, and those chambers, well, all the other will stay outside of the forest. Okay, you will see soon. They will produce air and water. Without them, this city will collapse and die. So they watch them here. You see them? They build very, very, very fast. Okay, this wall they will produce, soon you will see the bubbles of air and clean water to irrigate and continuously give life to this forest that later will be a baby. Now you will observe how they soon will build this wall all around, and will build a huge river all around. This river of clean water will produce water and air. Okay, you see already the bubbles like pearls here, and obviously everywhere. Okay, they work frenetic. They have to build this wall in time. In 24 hours, this egg, if they will fail, this egg and them will die. Okay, now observe how will be large and separate this to form a huge river around. Okay, like a balloon all around. They are against time. How many water bubbles? Many, because they are doing, you see, like pearls, like dots, like pearls. They produce air and water. Okay. Now, this will form later, okay, the amniotic sac. Now this baby was born with his amniotic sac intact. When I am telling you that this is the true shape of the earth, that we are still in the womb of our mother and Australia is the placenta, is the truth, okay? It's the truth, okay? So a miracle was born to our eyes to can see that I am telling you the truth, okay? So there is like that South America, North America, and all the other, including Africa, where I discovered even the food, okay? Now this sac is for the baby, okay, is hard and transparent as glass, understand? So what is the sun? The sun is the heartbeat, like an energy ball of plasma that is transmitted all around the body, the heartbeat of the mother, the energy that go like energy and give heat to the body and so on. That is the sun. When the sun, this plasma energy, pass by, okay, the baby in the womb will make a reflected image in the amniotic sac that we perceive as the moon. So the moon is like a photography of us, you know, like a photo on the walls of the amniotic sac. Understand that, okay? So I enlarge this image of the moon in colors, because the moon have colors, to let you see how perfect these are. The I have a lapsus now, the ribs of the mother, okay? So the moon is actually like that, and here is North America, South America, Alaska, okay, Europe, Russia, India, Australia, that is the placenta, and here is Africa. So when I'm telling you, all that I'm telling you, it's the simple truth. We are microscopic because the baby grew, and we are still like the seeds that came one time ago, okay, long time ago, to start to build, okay, the baby. Now I go to this video to ask how many times, because if the sun is the mother heartbeat, how many times our mother heart beat in a day. So the heart is beating 100,800 times per day. English is not my mother language, so sorry if I didn't. Okay, so we will divide this number in two, okay, and because the energy will go all around, but we are on the half, and so we divide at 2, and this we will divide it to 365. There is to know how many times a day of the mother is for us in the womb, so 138. Now, because the Bible already told us there is 120, okay, we must agree that it is true. So 120 divided to 24, 120, there is years. There are a day. We divide this to 24 hours in order to know how much time is an hour. So when here on the earth will pass 5 years, 5 years will be an hour for the baby and the mother. Okay, now this number, if we have to divide it, we'll discover that 1 minute is exactly 1 month. When is past a month, when pass here a month, outside will pass 1 minute. Okay, now because we have the ocean tides, and the ocean tides are 2 in a day, in a total of 720 tides on a year. So this is the pulse, you know, the pulse. When you measure your pulse, that's it, the pulse. And this is the only truth. We are inside the womb, and soon we will be birthed outside. Okay, we will perceive this as earthquakes and lightnings, because lightnings and are called the labor pains. Okay, when a woman go in labor, the doctor will say to her that she start to have lightning. Okay, so that is the truth. When we see all lightnings and earthquakes, okay, those are the signs that the birth is coming. Okay, so I show you all these things. So yeah, another thing is that the sperm live in without meeting the egg. Okay, live for 7 days, yet the egg live only 1 day. Okay, now if we think that how long we live at the beginning. Okay, so we have 120, was more, but anyway, multiply by 7 days. Okay, and here is 840 years our ancestor lifespan was. And if we make 140, that was like 138 and so on, 140 multiplied 7 days live the sperm is 980. So this is the lifespan of our ancestors when they first came here to build the wall. There is the amniotic sac who will give pure air, clean air and clean water to the city in order to survive. Okay, and if these two seeds don't meet each other, they will obviously die. The egg will die in 24 hours, in 1 day, and the sperm will resist a bit longer, like 7 days, and then will die. So it is very important that they came, they are very fast, and they are building like nuts. Okay, because this will be the life for eternity. Okay, so this was the video of Welcome to the Reality. This baby is it's okay, he's alive, he's moving, breathing. Here there is no ocean, you see, and here is the ocean, and we are living on his skin. Okay, look. It's so cute.